today we will be drawing something and I'll say what we are going to draw.
Yes, guys. Today we will draw.
We will draw.
Okay, what is that?
We will draw what is the Roblox character.
Roblox character. Oh no, that's so hard. Okay, guys. Today we will draw some Roblox character, which is I don't know.
Because me, I know.
Because I don't know. I didn't play Roblox. Okay, we will start now. How many minutes or seconds do we need to take, or it's nothing na lang?
Wala second.
Okay. Okay, we will start now. It's so hard.
But you can copy me.
Okay, I will copy na lang.
No! Hindi pwede mag-copy.
Okay, let's begin. Let's begin. Okay. Oh, how can I draw Roblox? I think this is the Roblox. Okay. 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 Is this a Roblox? Okay, guys. I think it's like this. And then guys, what do you think?
Where's your hand?
Oh no, you broke this one. I show this to the viewers. How is it?
It's not done yet. You have to color it.
Yeah, it's not done yet, but I think I don't know. I don't know what we're doing now. Okay, let's put some hair. And I think he is a boy.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I need an eraser. I need to erase the legs.
Okay, you need to erase.
Gotta use this.
And now,
I'm gonna not need this anymore.
by the way, guys, if you watch our vlog, kindly subscribe to us. And we will upload some videos for our bonding weekend. Right, Rika? And for now, we have to focus of our drawing.
This is coming so cute!
Wow, your drawing is so beautiful. Can you show it to them? Even it's not yet finished. Look, Rika's drawing.
It's not yet finished, but I'm about to color it down.
Okay, and you will judge us who will be the winner. The winner will be receive a candy, but Rika already eat a candy.
I only eat two.
Yeah.
Somebody can have the rest and somebody else.
Okay. Who will the winner will get this two Fruitus, two candies.
What do you mean Fruitus?
Yeah, the name of that candy is
Fruitus.
Fruitus. Okay. Let's do it. And I put some pink color because I love pink. And then also dark green. I love dark green. Okay, we don't have time. We just draw.
I'm going to color my shirt pink as well.
I color my body with dark green color because I love pink and dark green color. How is it? I think it's
bad.
it's bad.
Sorry guys, my toys that fell down.
Oh no. And we need to put some names below here, anak. Okay.
I'm gonna let my turtle get.
What's the name of this character? I think it's Pugita. This is Pugita.
Mine is gonna be cute strawberry.
Okay, my drawing name is Pugita.
What an ugly name.
Because he's ugly. Okay. I'm going to refinish
Mama,
now.
I don't know how to spell.
Okay, I will help you.
Cute.
What name? What name?
Cute strawberry.
Cute strawberries. Okay, well, put it here and then you copy. Cute strawberry. Strawberry. Okay, it's C-U...
I know!
Okay. Hi guys, I'm done, and this is my drawing. I think I don't know if it is a Roblox. Roblox what, Rika?
Roblox.
Roblox
That is
character.
not a Roblox character. That's a Minecraft character.
Oh, I got it wrong. Oh my god. But it's already done. This is mine. And hope you like it. And
I don't-
hope you don't like it.
I don't like it.
Rika almost finish. Okay. And you need to comment down if who drawing is better. If it's Rika or Nanay. And I believe it's Rika.
Comment me, Nana's ugly draw. Even though my mom practiced a lot of times, he did it so ugly. Like what?
Because I don't know how to draw. I just know how to write.
White you
Right,
white you
reading.
white you ugly butt.
Okay. Are you ready, guys, for Rika's drawing? Rika has a good hand. Okay, let's show. This is Rika's drawing, and this is mine. Okay, and comment down below if who gonna win.
Said a winner.
Thank you.